state of Goa. And this is after the government knows for the last one whole year that COVID pandemic is not yet gone away. The whole world has faced a second wave and we were not far away from it. We had to wait for some mercy from Kerala to provide us some extra oxygen. If not, the situation would have been even worse. What is this type of planning of the government? We do not know. Are they working for the welfare of Goans, or this government is only thinking of its own welfare? If the government doesn't have funds to provide a basic facility of health for Goans to survive, why are we running after this linear 3 projects, the Talmar projects, for the benefit of some industrialists that are seeking to pry out Goa and Goa to a COVID patient? The government also needs to tell us what they did in 1 year's time when a proper plan, a proper roadmap could have been laid out to provide additional facilities to circumvent the difficulties that we experienced during the last, exactly at this point in time last year, and to bring a better picture before Goans to fight this pandemic. Even the doctors in the GMC are crying that they don't have an isolation facility for themselves. When is the government going to wake up to this? Our death toll is galloping towards 1,000. You know the fact, the nightclubs are packed, and when Maharashtra has already put us on a negative list, UK has put the entire country on a red list, and our chief minister is still thinking whether we are going to demand a negative certificate from those entering. Are we waiting for the situation to go beyond control? And last, before I hand over to Joel, our Honorable Prime Minister has assured during the last course of the pandemic 20 lakh crores coming to every Indian. I think Goa could have got a small pie of a small share of that 20 lakh crores. How much of that 20 lakh crores has come to Goa, and how much government has spent on COVID-related infrastructure? The Goans.
Today's press conference is to condemn the Chief Minister's careless and a delayed period of time, and the CM making a trip to Delhi and back, he comes and announces a very selective curfew. Are Savan, your biggest hotspots is your North Goa beach belt. TMC is saying it's come on the front page of Times of India today. Capacity. Why is it that you haven't locked them up? And industry, are you scared of the BJP national leadership? You people are still not serious. You all are busy patronizing this casino industry at the cost of our Goan brothers and sisters. Our medical system is already crumbling. Rane himself has admitted that patients have no space. I know people who are lying on the floor outside GMC. You all have no equipment. People are dying because you all cannot handle